Question 1. In which cave was the first revelation sent to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? A. Cave Hira. B. Cave Thor. C. Cave Arkham. D. Cave Safa. Correct answer. A. Cave Hira. How many years did it take to complete the revelation of the Quran? A. 20 years. B. 23 years. C. 25 years. D. 30 years. Correct answer. B. 23 years. Question Q3. What was the real name of Hazrat Abu Bakr? A. Abdullah. B. Abdurrahman. C. Amir. D. Khalid. Correct answer. A. Abdullah. What is the longest surah in the Quran? A. Surah Yasin. D. Surah Rahman. Surah Baqarah. D. Surah Nisa. Correct answer. C. Surah Baqarah. Who was the second caliph of Islam? A. Hazrat Usman. R.I.A. B. Hazrat Ali. R.A. C. Hazrat Abu Bakr Ra.A.J. D. Hazrat Umar. R.A. Correct answer. D. Hazrat Umar. R.A.A. Question 6. Zakat is which pillar of Islam? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Correct answer. C. Third. 7. Who was the first prophet of Islam? A. Prophet Musa ASL. B. Prophet Nuh SA. C. Prophet Adam AS. D. Prophet Ibrahim ASL. Correct answer. C. Prophet Adam AS. In which city is the Kaaba located? A. Medina. B. Jerusalem. C. Riyadh. D. Makkah. Correct answer. D. Makkah. Question 9. How many surahs are there in the Quran? A. 100. B. 114. C. 120. D. 130. Correct answer. B. 114. In which month does Laylatul Qadr occur? A. Muharram. B. Rabiul Awwal. C. Ramazan. D. Dhul Hijjah. Correct answer. C. Ramazan. आपने कितने आंसर सही दिए? अपना स्कोर कमेंट में लिखें। ऐसे और ग्रामर और टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन MCQs के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें राजपर MCQs हब और बेल आइकन भी ज़रूर प्रेस करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।